Good morning, all of you. This is Jyoti, pupil teacher of science from Dr. Ganesh Das, DAV College of Education for Women, Karnal. Today we will study about the blood. What is the blood? Blood is a fluid medium that helps in transportations of different material throughout the body. Means we all needs air, water, and food for our survival. These all substances have to transport it to different parts of our body, and blood play a vital role in these transportations. Then blood is made of the two components. First is the cell components and second is the liquid components. First is the cell components, that is the RBC, WBC and blood platelets, and second is the liquid component, that is the blood plasma. So first is the RBC. RBC stand for the red blood cell. This containing a protein molecule that is called hemoglobin. That is a red color pigment, and due to the presence of the hemoglobin, that is red pigment, RBC have also red color. Hemoglobin known as respiratory carriers as it transport oxygen to different parts of the body. Due to the presence of the hemoglobin, RBC can carry oxygen to the different parts of the body because only hemoglobin have the binding capacity with oxygen, and then it carry the oxygen to different parts. This in transportation of oxygen, hemoglobin also play a very vital role. Then there is a disease called anemia that is occurred due to the lack of the hemoglobin protein. Next is the WBC. WBC stand for the white blood cell. These are the defense force of our body. Means whenever any foreign particles or any bacteria, any virus enter in our body for infection, then WBC fight with them and try to kill them, and this save our body any type of the infection. And so WBC act as the soldier of our body. White blood cell destroy harmful bacteria and dead cell. They protect our body against any type of the infection. So these are the defense force of our body. Then platelets. Platelets help in clotting of the blood. Whenever any parts of our body gets injured, then platelets become the clot of blood, and this prevented the excessive loss of the blood from that part. So this prevent excessive loss of blood if any parts of the body get injured. These platelets are also very helpful for us. Then blood plasma. It is a straw-colored liquid component of blood that normally hold the blood cell. It makes up about 55% of the body's the total blood volume. Did you know? The membrane or outer layer of the red blood cell is flexible like a soap bubble. Why? So that it can bend itself in many directions without breaking. This is the important because the red blood cell must be able to pass through the tiniest blood vessels to deliver oxygen whenever it is needed. That's why the red blood cell is flexible like a soap bubble. Then function of the blood, as blood play a vital role in the transportations of every substances in the body. So there is the many function of the blood. First is the blood help to distribute the digest food to all parts of the body so that our body can get energy from that food. Then circulation of blood also help to maintain the body temperature. Next is the blood cells, especially the WBC, help fight infection. They kill the foreign particles that enter in our body and save our body from any type of the infection. So WBC act as the defense force of our body. Next is the clotting of blood is needed to prevent any excessive bleeding. So blood platelets help in the clotting of blood. Then blood transport oxygen from the lungs to the tissue. ऑक्सीजन का ट्रांसपोर्ट करने में हेल्पफुल है. उसके बाद blood also transport carbon dioxide from the all tissues, all parts of the body, and then take to the lungs for the purifications of the blood. So these all are the functions of the blood. Next is the heartbeat and pulse rate. What is the heartbeat? The contraction and relaxation of the muscle is known as the heartbeat. The heartbeat as long as one stay alive. A heartbeat consists of a contraction and relaxation of its muscles is known as the heartbeat. What is the heartbeat? The contraction and relaxation of the muscles or of the heart is known as the heartbeat. Then first term is the systole. The contraction of the heart is called the systole. In this diagram, this shows the contraction of the heart, and that is known systole, blood pressure. Next is diastole. What is the diastole? The relaxation of heart is called diastole. In the second diagram, there is the relaxation of the heart muscle, and so this is known as the diastole. The rhythmic contraction of the heart and its main arteries is felt as regular jerk and is referred to as the pulse rate. The pulse rate is the same as the rate of the heartbeat. At rest, the heartbeat of the human being is about 60 to 80 times per minute. But during exercise or excitement, the rate can increase up to 200 beats per minute. And that's why during any excitement and any exercise, we have to need a lot of the oxygen. Then you all tell me about this question. First is what is the RBC? RBC is the red blood cell that contain a protein called hemoglobin. Then function of the RBC, WBC. Function of the WBC. WBC stand for the white blood cell that acts as a defense force of our body and protect us from different type of the infection and diseases. The next is the what is the function of the platelets? Platelets help in the clotting of the blood, and this prevent the excessive loss of the blood. Next is the what is the function of blood plasma? Blood plasma help in the transportation of the different types of the material like food, oxygen, water, etc. This blood plasma act a vital role in the transportation of the material. Then this is your homework. First question is the write the importance of the blood. There are a number of the importance of blood. Second is define the systole and the diastole. What is the systole and the diastole? The contraction of the heart muscle is known as the systole, and the relaxation of the heart muscle is called as the diastole. Then what is the heartbeat? The contraction and the relaxation of the heart after a fixed interval is known as the heartbeat. So you all have to do this question on your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.